Hi YouTube, this is Anna from unboxingjerseys.ru. Today I will introduce this red jersey for you guys. It is from Tampa Bay Buccaneers team. It only charges you $21.99. Okay, season like we like. Have the fly wire and NFL logo stitched. Look inside. Okay, there is a special tag attached. NFL logo, like logo, the size 48, and the big numbers 54. It has white, black, and orange colors, a very balanced color. And on the bottom part, it is mesh materials. See the details. It is very soft. Okay, see the tags. NFL logo, the size, Lucky logo. This part is stitched as well. Okay, see the details on the shoulder. The numbers 54 stitched, and orange Nike logo stitched, and team logo. Tampa Bay Buccaneers stitched. The inside part, and see the thread. Okay, the other side. Numbers, logos, box, the 4 words stitched, and we have the paper tag, the NFL logo, like logo, and other information. Okay, let me show the back. You can see the white player's name David is stitched. See the details. And the big numbers 54. This part is same as the front part, stitched as well. And mesh materials on the bottom. Okay, this jersey only charges you $21.99. As you can see, it is very it has a great quality, and we can offer you free shipping if over $220. And welcome to check out my site, unboxingjerseys.ru. Thanks for watching. Bye.